By the end of this video, you will know how to add a Statute of Limitations date in Clio Manage. Start by going to Matters in Clio Manage. From there, open the matter you want to update. This takes you into the matter record, where you can review and edit details connected to that file. Make sure you have opened the correct matter before you continue, since the date you add here will be saved to that specific record. Once the matter is open, click Edit Matter. This switches the matter from view mode into an editable form, so you can make changes to the information stored in the file. After you select Edit Matter, look for the Matter Details section. This is where Clio Manage keeps core information related to the matter. In the Matter Details section, scroll down until you reach the field labeled Statute of Limitations Date. Depending on the amount of information already entered for the matter, you may need to scroll a bit to find it. Move steadily through the section so you do not skip past the field. When you locate Statute of Limitations Date, enter the appropriate date directly into the field. If you prefer not to type it manually, click the calendar icon next to the field and choose the date from the calendar. Use the date that matches the matter you are updating, and check that the month, day, and year are correct before moving on. This is a good point to pause briefly and confirm the entry, especially if you are updating a file with several important deadlines. If the statute of limitations has already been satisfied, look for the option labeled Statute of Limitations Date Satisfied and check that box. This marks the matter accordingly within the record. Only select that option when it applies to the matter you are editing, since it changes how that deadline is reflected in the file. After the date is entered and the satisfied box is checked if needed, click Save Matter. This saves the update and applies the change to the matter record. If the page takes a moment to refresh, wait for Clio Manage to finish saving before navigating away. That helps ensure the new date and status are kept on the file. At this point, the matter will return to its saved view, and the statute of limitations information you entered should now appear in the matter details. If you need to confirm the update, look back at the section you changed and verify that the saved date is displayed as expected, along with the satisfied status if you selected it. This final check helps you confirm that the record reflects the information you intended to add. The Statute of Limitations date has now been added to your Clio Manage matter.